Hi, welcome to another Catia v5 video tutorial, another remake, the Laengenverkettungsblock, now in Catia v5. So I want to have some planes. Make always sure this is locked. This should be 60, another one again 60, and another one which should be 85. Let's do a sketch on that plane. Hide as usual the yellow projected elements. Let's draw a rectangle. I don't want to have these constraints, so just delete them. Okay, now let's reference this to the planes. And make an extrusion, make a block up to that plane. Confirm. Now I want to have some reference points. Seems a little bit odd because I missed one line. This one should be, of course, coincident to that one. Okay, now we go. So I want a reference point or some by coordinates. One should be on y60. Another one on x and y60. And another one maybe on z85 and x0. Okay. Now let's start with the holes. So I need another reference point, and I use this one for reference, and from this one this should be 45 and y should be minus 45.5. Yeah, and this should be 0, of course. Okay, let's make this a little bit transparent. Maybe like this. Okay, another point. Again, this should be the reference, and this is 15 and minus 24.5. Select the point, select the tool, select the plane, and it's a blind hole, but the type is counter board. Diameter should be 25. It's got a thread, it's threaded, and it's a M20. Like this. Okay. And depth should be 18. And thread depth should be 15.5. And this depth should be 0.5. Okay. Same goes here, but again, point, tool, plane, just confirm because the values are all the same. Okay, nice. Now I need a reference line, so go for line. I need one with an angle normal to another curve. The curve, which should be the reference, is the axis right here, the Z axis. The point should be this one. The angle should be 15 degrees. And I need a support plane, and the support plane should be a parallel one to this one. Okay, maybe reverse the direction, and the length should be 63. Okay. I could do the line on the fly, but I need a different point right here. So maybe I first do the hole again. Select the point, select the hole tool, select the plane. Yes, no problem. It's not threaded. Yeah, it's kind of annoying because there is already a hole, and if you want to make another hole, it always comes with this warning. So let's go to extension, make it along that line. Diameter should be 6. It should be a simple one, and the length should be 63. And okay. For the next one, I will use it in the same way. So I need another point. Reference should be now this one, and the distance for my point is minus 2 point, minus 2.7 in x direction, 0 and 0. Okay. I could do the direction on the fly. I will do it. So select the point, select the tool, select the plane, not normal to surface. The length should be different. It should be 47. And just go here, right click, create a line, again angle normal to curve. The curve should be again this axis. The angle should be 24. The point should be this one, and maybe it's minus 24 degrees. Reverse the direction. And the support plane should be again this one, and the distance should be 47. I got the line, the direction, confirm, and you got the hole already in place. I need another plane with a distance. Distance should be 30. And now I need the intersection points between this line and the plane, and then I will project it to that plane, and then the other way around. So let's go for a point. It should be near on a curve, and distance should be 0 from my reference point. So let's go right here, create a new one, create an intersection point between this line and that plane, confirm, make the distance 0, and you got the point. Now I want to project it right here, so go for another point. The point is now on a plane, on that plane, and the reference point is this one, and it will be projected normal to the plane, so the distance must be 0, 0, return. First point. Second point, I'll go for a point on a plane. Distance should be 0, 0. The reference point should be the intersection point between this line and that plane. Confirm, confirm. So now I got these 2 points. Now I need to go for a hole. Select the first point, hole, plane. It's 6, but it's not blind. It's up to a surface. In this case, it's up to that surface. Okay. And another one. Point, tool, plane. Again, it's up to surface. In this case, it's up to that surface. Confirm, and I got these 2 holes right here. 2 more points. Point, reference should be this one, and the distance to this one is, let me check, for the first one it's 40.5 in X direction, and in Y direction, in this case it's Z direction, it's 37. And the plane is this one, but I could do it with coordinates as well. So in this case it's 40.5, and in Z direction it's 30. No, that's 0. It's 37. And confirm. Once again, I need a line, but in this case I will go for the point, then the tool, then the plane, and I will create it on the fly. The length of this one should be 44. Diameter is 6. Not normal to surface, but along a line. Again, angle normal to curve. And this one should be the reference. the point should be this one. Okay, support plane should be this, and the angle should be, in this case, -70. Reverse direction. Looks good. Confirm. Confirm. Another point on the plane, or just by coordinates reference, this case again this one. Z should be 37, but X should be 19.5. Confirm. And that's just a simple one. Point, tool, plane, length should be 37. By the way, you could do the complete exercise without reference elements. You could do it by using simple 2D sketches as well. So I need another point, and the reference point should be this one, and the distance in X direction should be, let's check it out, 14.5. Y direction is 0, Z direction should be 15.5. Confirm. Now I need a hole, so go to point, then to the tool, then to the plane. It should be a threaded one. It's threaded, and it's metric thick pitch. Yes, it's an M6. Thread depth should be 9. Hole depth should be 11. Type is simple. Extension, that's okay. It's normal to surface, so I can confirm. Now I want to have a rectangular pattern with this hole. Select it, go to rectangular pattern. It should be instances in unequal spacing. I need 4 because I will deactivate 2 of them. The distance should be in X direction 31. Direction should be this one. Usually you want to keep specifications. Go to more. I want to change the row to second row, and I want to deactivate this one and that one. So the second direction, I want to have 2. Okay. Distance should be 40.5. And I want to deactivate this one and that one. And the distances should be, in this case, 0.75, and in that case 0.75 as well. So I changed this one, 31. Okay, that's more like it. And usually you want to keep specifications. Okay. Only a few holes missing. The big advantage of these reference elements is you can easily change the positions and the angles without any problems. So again, another point. As reference, I want to use this one, and the distance in y direction, x is 0, y is minus 35, z is 17.5. Okay. Point to plane, and this one is a counterboard one. It's not threaded. Type should be counterboard. Diameter should be 16. Depth should be 1.2. And the diameter of the hole should be 10. And the depth should be all the way through, so it's up to last. And confirm. Again, a rectangular pattern will do the trick, so go to rectangular pattern, make it 2 in one direction. This should be the Z direction, and keep specifications, and the distance should be, let me see, it's 42.5 minus 17.5. Okay. Another point for another hole. Reference again. This point. Distance in x direction is 0. In y direction it's minus 16. And in z direction it's 14. Okay. Point to plane. Again, counterboard. Diameter of this one should be 6. Up to last, that's okay. This diameter should be 11, and the depth should be 8. Okay, nice. On the other side as well. So I need another point. This point I could do it on a plane. It should be on this plane right here. Distance to the reference point should be 0, and the reference point should be this one. And confirm. Now you can make a hole right here with this point. Select the tool, select the plane, reverse the direction. It's not a counterboard one, it's a simple, yeah, of course, it's not 6 but 11, and the depth should be 6.6. And the diameter should be 6 as well. No, not 6, but sorry, of course it's 11. Okay, now I can do another linear pattern, a rectangular pattern with these two holes. Select it before you go to the hole tool. Sorry, I mean select it before you go to the rectangular pattern definition. And I want to have two in Y direction. Reverse it. Distance should be between these two 38. And second direction, that's the Z direction, 2 as well, and the spacing should be 45. And I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this video as well. Next in this series will be I think in winter. So see you to the next one. Bye bye.